Hello and welcome. I'm Parul Sharma and you're watching Zoom TV. Today I have with me the incredible director and cast of Special Ops 1.5. Please join me in welcoming Neeraj Pandey, KK Menon and Vinay Pathak. Hello, how are you guys doing?
Thank you.
We're just going to tell everyone that we had great banter before this interview started, so hopefully we're going to go in the same vein.
I don't
Yes?
remember what you're talking about. I have no idea.
This is terrible, he's terrible. Okay, so firstly, and this is for all three of you, what can we expect from this season of Special Ops and what would each of you individually say is the USP for this season?
Unique selling proposition is what she's asking. I have no idea. It's just that,
This is the lead, guys.
yeah. But it's a well done series, and you can expect the unexpected. So,
What is different this season from your end as an actor? What did you do differently this season?
I tried to act well, as usual, and tried my best. I hope it sustains.
Neeraj, what about
He
you?
succeeded. Primarily. First to clear that off. So he's way better than the first one. That's number one. And you want to see an improved version of KK Menon? Here's 1.5. And it's a bigger story, a bigger personal story for me. So that's the USP in my opinion.
ये 1.5 है. It's for me. It's more excitable. You'll have much more fun watching it.
It's 0.5 more.
Yeah, 0.5 more. मतलब
Exact.
1.5 गुना ज़्यादा मजा आएगा आपको.
I want to know from you guys, what are like the pressure points as directors and as actors when you're kind of doing a second part of a story, especially when the first half has been received so well and it's been so wildly successful. And personally for each of you, do you guys sort of think about like people's expectations, or will this season be as successful, or are you guys unbothered by it and you're just focusing on the now?
Bothered by people? Absolutely not. Because if I was, I wouldn't be who I am.
Superb.
Yeah, because I don't know if it says good thing about me. But yeah, I mean, people say you should have been bothered by people, dude. But I didn't, and I never learned the lesson. So here I am, the way I am, and this is how I would remain. So yeah.
So
that was-
expectations and stuff is not something that you sort of...
Expectations, see, when you're working, you put your heart and soul to it. You know, you don't work, मतलब आज आधा ही काम करूँगा, बाकी आधा नहीं करूँगा. ऐसा नहीं करते हैं आप कि मैं इसमें आधी ईमानदारी दूंगा, आधी कल दूंगा. ऐसा नहीं करते हैं आप. क्योंकि आप काम करते हैं तो मतलब पूरी तरह से करते हैं, संपूर्ण रूप से करते हैं. So I don't think that we were dishonest while working at it. We made sure that we have fun while working on it, and we also enjoyed the ensemble that was around. So I'm sure it's gonna show.
No pressure. We feel responsible and accountable for sure, but no pressure at all. It's fantastic to know that the audiences have loved one, and that
And how.
prompts us. Yeah, and that prompts us to be more accountable.
Yeah.
The next time we come with something on the same brand, and hence I believe that we've tried our best, and that gives us a lot of satisfaction. The rest is up to the audience.
I really don't cater to expectations because that's unnecessary pressure.
Yeah.
And an actor cannot work freely with that kind of a mindset. So so you said Special Ops 1 was very good, right?
It was very good and very successful. Like it was
I've
loved
forgotten
by-
that while working for Special Ops 1.5, which I have no
What's
idea.
going on? Are we having some like amnesia sort of situation?
That's exactly it when I'm working. Yeah.
हम पुरानी बातें भूल जाते हैं बहुत जल्दी.
KK, in a recent interview, you sort of talked about Himmat's resilience and how his strength and how the moments in his backstory have made him what he is in this story now in 1.5. I want to know KK's backstory. Like, what are some clear moments in your life where you think your resilience was built and your strength kind of came as an actor and personally?
That will be KK's story, which when it will be done, it shall be revealed to you. But otherwise, I can't. I have no idea. I don't analyze myself so much. Seriously, not.
So you don't have like moments where you feel like you've built resilience over the years in
Yeah,
your
but
career, which is span like...
It's not podium worthy. So let me put it that way. So it's not podium worthy to be announcing all that.
Well, that's what you think. Your fans are like super interested in that.
But I speak what I think. I don't speak otherwise. No, nothing like that. I just don't really analyze myself so much or take myself so seriously. I take my work very seriously, but otherwise I don't take myself very seriously.
So as an actor, would you say that you have had moments where you've built your resilience? Then professionally,
Of course,
by
of
talking.
course, of
So
course.
what would
over
those
a
moments be?
period of time working in this industry for more than 25 years, you ought to be resilient. You ought to be really obstinate. Otherwise, it's difficult to survive. So I've built in all that, but it's not like I've made it into an item. It's a part of me.
Right. Vinay, you are of course no stranger to ensemble casts. But the thing is that you always kind of leave like an indelible mark, and you leave like a lasting impression in your viewers' minds. What are like some insider?
It's a good thing, right?
It's a great thing, absolutely. What are some like insider tricks or tips that you could give like aspiring actors on how to sort of better their craft and always make sure that they are remembered no matter how many other people are in a cast?
Like a personal,
Yes,
from
like
me
a
to
personal as an actor. Yeah.
have a perfect body. You need to have at least 6 packs.
I love it.
Right. You need to be fit. You need to wake up at 6 a.m. every day. Things that I can't do. It's so easy to preach that.
Yeah.
मैं क्या बोलूँगा यार, सब मतलब मेरे से ज़्यादा स्मार्ट होके आते हैं लोग, तो मैं क्या सिखा दूँगा कि मतलब ये करो तो अच्छा रोल मिल जाएगा? ये क्या बात हुई? मैं जब नया नया आया था तो लोग कहते थे कि अरे आप पेज 3 पार्टियों में नहीं जाते हैं, जाना चाहिए. Then after being in the industry for 3 years, I asked one of these guys, I said यार मैं रोज़ देखता हूँ पेज 3, उसमें का तो कोई नहीं नजर आ रहा हमारी इंडस्ट्री में. I don't remember a director saying यार कास्टिंग करनी नहीं पिक्चर की, जरा पेज 3 लेकर आओ. मैं देखूँ कौन नया
पार्टी में कौन आया है.
हाँ, तो there is no set formula यार. I'm sure people these days, actors these days, they're much more aware of what we want.
Yeah.
They have the technology to assist them, which we didn't. So they are better off without my advice. मैं बोल दूंगा सारे कंफ्यूज हो जाएंगे बेचारे कि मतलब अरे क्या बोल रहे हैं आप.
नहीं आप बोलो सर, कंफ्यूज नहीं होंगे.
ठीक है. I think just be yourself.
Because even in season 1, like you had slightly lighter moments with KK's character, and that sort of provided like a good change of pace from what the rest of the series was. So was that like something that was written for you, or did you bring your own
वो
thing?
अगर उसकी
to the
तोहमत
role?
लगानी है तो इन पे लगाइए, सब लिखा हुआ इनका है. इन्होंने जैसा कहा मैंने वैसा बोल दिया है. अब इसके
नहीं,
अलावा
उससे भी बेहतर बोला है.
तो वही I also feel that for an actor it's a privilege to get a script so well written.
Right.
This character is so well sketched, and not. I mean, even after reading 4 episodes, not once I thought going back to reading the first episode that I know what's going to happen in
Next.
the 3rd episode.
Right.
So that is why, in a thriller, when you don't know what's going to happen next, even if you have read it already, for me that is like a eureka moment. Like, wow, it's really well written. So
Absolutely. What would you 3 say are the pros and the cons of working with the same set of directors and actors multiple times?
The pro of working with an actor is huge because we tend to get each other very quickly, so less wastage of time, and aspiration wise you know that yes, you're not going to be let down on that front because you know each other's limits, you can push those. Con, not really. I don't believe there's any con. You'll stop working with that person that day.
Exactly.
So no cons there. Yeah, just pros.
Specifically with Vinay and KK, what were the pros then? Like as them as actors
I
and you
thought
as the
she's saying
director.
Specifically with Vinay, there has to be cons because ये तो कौन लेके पैदा हुआ था,
नहीं
है ना?
No.
सब समझ रहा हूँ मैं. ठीक है.
With both these gentlemen, again, it's a treat. I've worked with KK, I think the first time when we worked together was, I think, 2003, 4 or something like that.
Yeah.
So we've known each other for quite some time now. So our challenge always remains is to still surprise each other where we can push our craft. And I see that hunger in him, I see that appetite in him, and which is what keeps me always looking forward to working with him
Right.
on the next one. With Vinay, I worked with him for the first time in season 1, but I always felt that, wish we could have more of him in season 1.
Yeah.
Which is the reason on side note, I say that maybe 1.5 is Himmat's story, but it was written for you.
That's fab.
So yeah, I wanted to explore things with Emma as well, and it's a treat to work with these two. Yeah.
Vinay, that's an actor's dream, right? Like when we didn't, like he's saying that he thought that there wasn't as much of you in season 1, and then season 2 is sort of written in a way that like you are given that sort of responsibility and given that much more. Like, how does that feel to
Of course, it's
be
a
so
privilege.
good?
It's a privilege. I mean,
Yeah.
to say the least. I mean, for an actor, it's a privilege to work.
Yeah.
You know, the kind of actor that we are, if we get to work the way we
That
want
itself
to
is a
work,
privilege.
That itself is a huge privilege.
Yeah.
And to hear that, you know, he was thinking, you know, of me as an actor while writing it. भाई साहब ऐसी सोच रोज आपको एक सीजन में एक बार आनी चाहिए. हम तो यही करेंगे प्रार्थना. So yeah, it's a great high.
Thank you so
Thanks,
much for
thank you.
joining me,
Thank you.
guys, and
Thank you.
best of luck for your
Thanks.
future
Thank you,
projects.
Parul. Thank you.